Hello and welcome back. It's Brian again. We all want to do something amazing with our lives. But the question is, how do we get started? With the number one thing stopping you from achieving that amazing result in your life is your habits. All you do, how you think, what you do each and every day is as a result of the habit you've created. So if you must change your life, you must remove something from your routine and install the new ones with different skills. I know you might be thinking that it's too late, or you might be thinking that the habit you've created have taken you a long time for you to create it, but what matters is for you to start right now and eliminate those habits. What do you want to incorporate into your life? What new skills do you want to put into your life? What do you want to remove from your life? What do you want to eliminate? This is what counts. Forget about the past. Let me tell you something. There is nothing you can do about the past. What matters right now is the future. What have you been doing in the past that have not been benefiting you? It can be as simple as you smoking or keeping friends that are drawing you back. What are the new habits you want to install into your life? It can be for you to eat healthy. Just think about it. Everything is possible, and immediately you've chosen the habit you want to incorporate your life. What you need to do next is for you to pay close attention to eat at least once in a day, and you are far more likely to succeed. It's repetition. It's something you do day after day. You wake up each and every morning and you practice whatever new skills you want to incorporate into your life. You wake up and you grind. That is what counts. You need to eliminate distractions in your life and incorporate things that will support you. Think about it. You've chosen a habit for you to do, but both of you are not consistent with it. Why? There are things that are hanging on in your life that is stopping you from achieving, from being consistent with the new habit you want to create. So if you really want to be consistent with your habit, you need to remove all these things. You need to eliminate the distractions in your life and incorporate the new ones that will support you. So what are those things drawing you behind? You want to lose weight, what is stopping you? You want to build amazing relationship, why can't you? You want to improve your spiritual life, then what is stopping you? Just believe that you can do it. It is the distraction that is stopping you from accomplishing those things you need to accomplish. What do you want to do? You want to write a book? Let me tell you, everything is possible. If you know what you want and you are still finding it difficult to stay committed, all you need is for you to look for public accountability. Look for something that will hold you accountable. It doesn't matter whatever it can be. It can be as simple as you declaring what you want to do to the outside world. You can use your Facebook, use your blog, anything outside yourself. Those are things that can hold you accountable. But the best way is for you to hold yourself accountable, like I always say. But if you cannot hold yourself accountable, you can easily declare to the world that this is what you want to do. Say it on Facebook and ask people to hold you accountable. These are very simple. You can even ask your family and your friends to hold you accountable. And each day you accomplish each of the habits you set for yourself. You need to keep a check of calendar, something you can walk up to each and every day and check it off, meaning you have accomplished for that very day. Never break the chain. Just be committed. Just be consistent in whatever you are doing, and it will surely pay off. If you don't want the outside world to hold you accountable, you can look for someone to join you in the habit you want to create. And both of you can hold each other accountable. There are people out there that want what you want. What you need to do is for you to look for this type of people, and both of you can hold each other accountable. And within a short while, you will see yourself improving. You will see yourself incorporating that very habit into your life. So the most important thing is get started. Every other thing can come up. Just get started. And the right time for you to get started is right here and right now. Wherever habits, wherever things you want to change in your life, it doesn't matter wherever it is. It can be in your relationship, it can be in your health, it can be in your finance, it can be in your business, in your spirituality, wherever it is. Just get started. Fix your time and just begin. Keep your check of calendar, something you can look up to and know how committed you are each and every day. And check how consistent you've been with the habits you want to create each and every day. And within a short while, you will see yourself reaping the reward of the habits you've created into your life. Also, if you're still finding it difficult, you can engage in a competition. This will raise you up, guys. You can engage in a competition just for you to get a sense of community and share the experience. Engage in a competition. Competition makes us stronger. Competition makes us tough. It makes us to have a sense of community. It makes us to engage, have people we can interact and talk to each and every day. The most important thing you need to do each and every day is to reward yourself each day, each month, each week. No matter how small you've accomplished the habit you try to incorporate in your life. Let me tell you, you are not in competition with the outside world. You are in competition with yourself. Yes, challenge yourself like I always say, and within a short while you will see yourself becoming happy, becoming fulfilled, and becoming whom you want to be. I understand it's not gonna be easy, but remember, you are what you repeatedly do each and every day. Unsuccessful people hate repetition, and this is an advantage for you to take. You need to get up there, do it each and every day, wake up and grind. When people are giving up, you are there, you are the last man standing because you believe in yourself. I want you to remember that you are what you repeatedly do. Unsuccessful people hate repetition, but you have to do them anyway. No matter how challenging the habit you're trying to incorporate into your life is, it doesn't matter how small, how big. What matters most is for you to constantly repeat them. Wake up each and every day and grind. But understand, creating new habit takes time. Yes, it takes time. But one thing you need to do is you need to be patient with yourself. Even if you fall, you need to brush yourself up and get back to it. Stop giving up. When things are challenging, I see most of you give up. Don't give up. Keep pushing. You need to keep pushing because the difficulty is the opportunity. You started a long time. Why are you giving up now? Why are you giving up? Never give up on what you started. Keep pushing. Be there. Wake up each and every day and grind. And if it is hard, if it is awkward, if it is tedious, so be it. Just do it and keep doing it. It will surely reward you. It will surely pay off. Stop giving up on what you started. The major thing is being consistent each and every day. It doesn't matter how small you've accomplished for the day. The major thing is keep doing it each and every day and never give up. One day it will surely reward you. Be happy when things are hard because the difficulty is the opportunity. I keep saying it, the difficulty is the opportunity. People hate when things are difficult. This is an opportunity for you to be the best. Stop looking for easy things. Easy things doesn't reward you big. It's when you do things that are challenging, that is when you reap the benefit. That is when you feel happy about yourself. What is the habit you want to incorporate in your life? Don't focus on the starting point. The starting point is always difficult. What matters is where you are going to, how consistent you are, and I promise you within a short period of time you will see yourself becoming that person you need to be. So just get started. Hope this video have added value to you. Once more, this is Brian Williams. Take care and goodbye.